Hey guys, Landon at Mercedes-Benz Shreveport again, just to bring you a quick little insight on something that's really cool about all of your Mercedes-Benz vehicles. One thing that you might not know that is actually achievable is that you can totally put the top up on a convertible vehicle, a Cabriolet. You can actually put the top up from the key and put the top down from the key as well and roll down all of your windows. It's kind of one of those small things that maybe a salesperson wouldn't have told you early on whenever you bought your vehicle, but it is definitely something that comes with the vehicle, and it is easy whenever you get out of your vehicle. If you forgot to put your your top up, or you forgot to roll your windows up all the way, you don't have to actually get back in the car to do that. You can actually just use the key and make sure the car is secured. Alright guys, so I have this gorgeous selenite gray metallic E450 Cabriolet right here, and I'm just going to demonstrate really quick with the key how to put the top up. So with the doors locked, with the top down, we're actually going to click and hold our lock button, and the lock button is going to initiate the top coming up on the car without you even having to be in it. Then, if you're still not satisfied and you want to make sure these windows are down, we're going to hold our unlock button one more time, and it's going to make sure that our windows come all the way down on the Cabriolet model Mercedes-Benz. Once again guys, my name is Landon. Thank you so much for letting me show you a quick tip on the Mercedes. Head over to Vehicle Visionary actually. There's a link in the description below that's going to take you to some other videos, kind of like this one, that shows you some awesome cars, a lot of Mercedes, maybe some that aren't Mercedes, and they're just going to, you're going to be able to see a lot of review videos there. So definitely keep up with that and keep up with us here at Mercedes-Benz Shreveport. Thank you so much for your time.